Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. Now in this video what we will try to do is, so we are trying to create the images using the Dall-e, right? So Dall-e also has some limitations and the problems. I will try to show you those limitations and problems, how the Dall-e will behave. For example, let's say that here I am trying to give the example. For example, create a dog image, okay? Create a dog image, and where it needs to create wearing a hat, okay, wearing a hat, and it should be in front of the Taj Mahal. So this is the requirement, okay. There also should be a parrot at the top of the Taj Mahal, okay, and the colors should be bluish, so bluish. So like this we can say. So here we can ask the Dall-e, ask any questions you have that allow you to generate a better result before proceeding. So anything, whichever, however it may be, so you can ask like this. So this is the thing which I am trying to ask. So let's see how the Dall-e will try to do it. So now it is creating the image. So whatever the information we have given is fine, it seems. So it is trying to create an image. Okay, let it create an image. So what is that image I am trying? So I want to have a dog image wearing a hat, and it should be in front of the Taj Mahal. There also should be a parrot at the top of the Taj Mahal. So the parrot should be there at the top of the Taj Mahal, and the colors it needs to use is the bluish color. Now if you try to see here, so now the thing what has happened. So what is the things I have given? So here the parrot should be at the top of the monument, not at the top of the hat, dog hat. It should not be. But here this is the limitation and the problem with the Dall-e. Now if there are two different subjects here, the subjects are dog and the parrot. Two different subjects are there. So if you are trying to mention the two different subjects, then the Dall-e will get confused. So might be it is thinking the hat and also the parrot as the hat. So it is trying to keep at the top of the dog. So now we can chart with this one. So looks like parrot is at the top of the hat. It should be at the top of Taj Mahal. So if you try to ask the question, so now let's see what it will try to do. So like this you can enhance your image using the Dall-e. So you should be very careful, it has a limitations. So whenever you are trying to give an image or anything, so you need to be more precise. Now it is again creating another image. Let's see that whether the parrot will shift to the monument or not, or otherwise it will be in the top of the dog only. So let's try to see. It may take some time. So that is the reason I am telling that this is the limitation and the problem which we have in the Dall-e. So whenever you are trying to generate an image, so it should be very careful. Now if you try to see here, the first image is wrong, and the second image looks like it is at the top of the Taj Mahal, but still it is somewhat looking odd, right? So now we can ask the second image looks nice. Can you make the parrot little bit? Can you make the parrot smaller? So we are saying that the second image looks nice. So can you make the parrot smaller? So now it will take the second image and it will try to make the parrot small. So let's see whether it will try to create it or not. So this is the problem you will be having. So now it has again the first image is at the top of the hat only. Now let's see whether we can able to achieve it or not. So now it has created the image, somewhat looks fine, but the parrot has not become smaller. So these are the limitations which I would like to tell you. So I don't want to go too much into this one. Sometimes the results may get differ. So with the parrot, so here. So that's it guys about this one. So I don't want to go little bit deep into this one. So this is the limitations you will be getting. The parrot has not become smaller, so little bit smaller, but it should be still smaller. So fine, let's leave it up to that one. So now you understood about the limitations and the problems of the Dall-e. When you are trying to give different subjects, then the Dall-e will get confused which one need to take as a main subject. So the second thing which I want to mention you in the Dall-e is not only this type of images, we can also create an what I can say is aspect ratio. You can also mention the aspect ratio to the images in order to get it. For example, let's say that create a photo realistic image, wide angle. We will try to say wide angle 16:10 photorealistic image of a coal mine with, so I want a coal mine with green trees as surroundings. Let's try to see. So what type of image you will be getting. So surrounding spelling mistake or what? Okay. So let's try to see. So I want to have a wide angle 16:10 photorealistic image. So let's see that whether it can be able to create it or not. So like this we can also create the photorealistic so wide angle images. So you can have an angle, image angle, aspect ratio. So like this you can ask it. So anything you can ask it. So now I have asked about the wide angle, and also the aspect ratio I asked is the 16:10. Let's see that whether it can able to generate the coal mine or not. We'll see. So these are the different types how you can make use of this Dall-e. So most of the time, so you need to be very precise. That is the one which I can explain you. So now if you try to open this one, so here this is the coal mines surroundings. You are having greeneries like this. So this is one way which you can get this type of things. Okay. So I hope that you understood about this concept also. So like this we can also give the wide angle thing also. And not only this one. So before closing, I want to tell you that we can also generate the logos or the vector images. Those all things also we can generate it. So here we can ask something like create a vector or otherwise flat vector image showing the group of students. Okay, showing the group of students learning the programming. Each one should have the laptop. Okay, so this is the vector image which I am trying to create it. Oh sorry, spelling mistake is there I think. Let's try to have. Okay, let's try to this one. So let's see whether it can able to generate it or not. So I am asking a flat vector image, so that if you want to have white background or transparent background, anything you can mention it. So it will try to give the image Dall-e. Let's see that we have vector image. So you can take it in the Photoshop and you can do modifications and you can use it in your website. You can also generate the logo and all those things you can do it using the Dall-e. So let's try to see what type of image it will generate. So this is the. So now you got a group of students in the laptop. So they have the laptop in their they have the laptop with their hands and they are able to see. This is how you will be able to get the vector images. You can do it. So now hope you understood about this concept. These are the concepts which I want to tell you. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.